be a valid reason. For example, mismanagement. For example, corruption. There has to be a proper reason. Just because they don't agree with you, you cannot remove them. And that is the gist of the Humphrey versus USA 1935. And why this is there in the newspaper now? It is there in the newspaper for a very simple reason.
ये आज unregulated है क्या?
President
इतना
of
ट्रैफिक कैसे लग
USA
रहा है?
wants the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates. Is it okay? He wants the Federal Reserve of USA to cut the interest rates. But the Federal Reserve says, I'm not going to do that. Right now, I don't see a situation where I need to cut the interest rate. And that's the reason that the Trump, or let's say the President of USA simply says, I will fire him. But many of the experts are of the opinion you do not have the power to fire the Fed chairperson. You don't have the power. It will be challenged in the Supreme
अरे
Court.
भाई अब इसको
It might
मोड़ना
rule
भी
in the
है.
favor of Federal Reserve Chair. And so these are certain important points again connected to current affairs. Please make a note of this. Final article, just factual information but important. There is a person by the name of Sonu Kanwar. Right? Please make a note of it. Why? A lot of times what you want to convey, you can convey the answer with more effectiveness when you write a case study. When you mention a case study in, let's say, social issues paper or ethics paper, or for that matter even in the interview, the message will be conveyed in a much more efficient manner rather than writing 250 words, right, regarding something. What is the point I'm trying to make here? There's a person by the name of
भाई
Sonu
क्या
Kanwar
हुआ है आज?
in, right, this particular state, Rajasthan. She travels to these particular areas, villages in the Rajasthan, and if there is an instance of child marriage, she will approach the police, take the police to the village, and ensure that the child marriage is not completed or child marriage doesn't take place. And not just this, she also has been seen to be interacting with the society there, local, right, let's say people, households, members of the society, trying to convince
of the
them,
society.
trying to educate them regarding the problems of child marriage. Regarding the problems of the
Child marriage.
Because I'm pretty
Child
sure all of
marriage
you know
अभी भी
this.
prominent है
Child
कुछ
marriage is not good. Right, in terms
medically
of, let's say, society, in terms of the health of the children.
सही बात है, medically भी
So
नहीं
she
है.
is also a victim of a child marriage. Now she says, I've suffered. At the age of 17, I had triplets. I suffered because of the child marriage. I do not want other children also to go through the same.
भाई
Right, so
क्या
this is a
हुआ
case
है
study.
आज?
Right, basically, you can quote this in the main answer writing, saying that this is how the participation of stakeholders, participation of women, participation of the society will ensure that we will put a curb on such evils in the society. And okay, so this
अब
is
ये
one
लोग
more
भी आएगा
factual
जाम
information.
लगाने.
Please make a note of this. So these are the
बाइक
10
वाला के
articles I wanted to
वजह से ज़्यादा
discuss with
दिक्कत
you
होता है,
people
रुकने का नाम ही
this
नहीं
session.
लेता.
Let me give you the key answers of the 2 MCQs. MCQ number 96. Consider statements regarding MFN. The MFN principle requires a country to treat all its trading partners equally in terms of trade advantage. Yes. If you provide a benefit to one trading partner, same shall be extended to other trading partners. Please understand, are there any exceptions? Are there any exemptions to the model or the principle of MFN? Yes, please remember this. Trade agreements. The trade agreements that the member countries of WTO will sign will not be covered, will be exempted from the principle of MFN. Meaning, India and Australia sign a trade agreement. Can India extend a trade advantage only to Australia, which is not available to other countries? Yes, that is perfectly allowed. Okay, so MFN principle requires, this statement is correct. MFN is a key principle in both goods and services trade under WTO rules. Yes, multiple trade agreements have basically inculcated or have involved the concept of a MFN. MFN status means a country receives exclusive trade benefits not available to other countries. No, exactly opposite to the first one.
भाई
Two
साहब.
statements are true. The right option will be option B here. MCQ 97. Consider the statements regarding Jal Jeevan Mission.
भाई साहब नींद
It
आ
is a
रहा है.
central sector scheme. No, central is constant.
Central sector scheme.
Implementation of this will help India to achieve SDG 6. Yes, please make a note
सोशल
of this.
डेवलपमेंट बोलना
Right,
SDG.
SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. It is associated with clean water.
ये
Again, tap
देखो।
water is associated with water supply. The statement 2 is correct. Ministry of Agriculture is the nodal ministry. No,
भाई
Ministry
कोई
of
रुकने का
Jal
नाम ही नहीं ले रहा.
Okay. Right, so 2 is the correct, or 2 is the only correct statement. Hence, right option is option E. So these are the 10 articles as well as the questions related to the articles I wanted to discuss with you people. Now, if you have any
इतना
questions,
गंदा
please
जाम
do
कैसे
ask me
लग
the
गया हमको तो
question.
यही
I'll
नहीं समझ आ
address
रहा. इस
your
रास्ते में ऐसा जाम
and
नहीं
those who are
लगता.
asking about the PPT will be uploaded in my Telegram channel. This is the link to my Telegram channel. Okay, done. Any questions from your side?
भाई किधर जा रहे हैं हम उनको देखना पड़ेगा, पता चले इधर ही.
Any questions from your side? Nobody has questions. That's more interesting. More interesting than the articles that I've discussed.
माँ कसम क्या हुआ है ये जिंदगी में समझ नहीं
Sir,
आ
on the first article, Aman Barnwal, my dear, what is the question? What is the question? Please do let me know.
रहा.
Hello, good morning and welcome.